Okay, moving on to part 2. So let me start with a quick preview of part 2. It goes right after the end of part 1 here, based on data. We go, I'ma show you how to 8-figure number and face Zaddy, Puffs, Jigga, you better swipe like that. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so let me break down part 2. So this was kind of part 1, whoop, whoop, whoop. You want to go up and go step left on the spot, right on the spot. So basically we're gathering, right? Boom, boom. Yeah, so we went from here, where our legs are a bit apart, we go in, yeah, and at the same time we go point right, point left. So point right, point left. From here, you want to bring them up and go around, down. Yeah, so let me just show you from another view here. What I'm doing is I'm taking my right, going open flower like that, and then we want to turn it around and then bring it down. Yeah, so when I go here, open, around, down. Yeah, let's just go back from here. Boom, boom. You want to step right, left. All right, so from here we go point, step, and then we want to take them up, go open flower, around, down, here. Let's just try that again. From here, we just did whoop, whoop. You want to go step right, step left, up, around, down. Now from here, you want to say take a small step here with your right, and then you want to keep your left straight here to the front, and the right is going to say hey, hey. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Probably gambling, throwing dice, something like that. All right, so right after boom, boom, boom here, you want to say step, boom, boom. All right, let's just go a bit back. You know what? Let's go from the top. So we just did boom, boom. That was in part 1. Now we want to say step right, left, up, around, down, go to the front here. Actually, I think I do a bounce, but you don't need to do that. All right, so just boom, dice, then you want to say step in. All right, so let's just try that once again. From here, you want to say step right, step left. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, up, around, down, step, dice, dice, step. Okay, so right after dice, dice, step, from here, your arms are gonna come up to your face, and you kind of also wanna lean left, right. So this motion here, boom, 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 swing from side to side. Yeah. So your left, both your arms are gonna come up to your face, boom, and then you wanna go down, out. Yeah. So when I look to the front, look to the side. This is my right side. All right. So boom and boom, boom and a boom. All right. So that was after dice and step and face and out. Let's just try that. We're gonna go dice and step and face and out. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go dice and step and face and out. Again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go dice and step and face and out. Okay guys, we're almost there, just hanging there. All right, so right after dice and a face and out, from here, you want to say arms are coming up, whoop, and then you want to say right hip, left on hip, right? So it's right hand on hip, left hand on hip. Yeah, so you want to go whoop, stop them here, you say right, left. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, down, right, left. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, down, right, left. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, down, right, left. Now, if you want, you can do a more detailed version where you go like body roll and then swing your hips around. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show it from the side. When I'm doing this, I'm up with my chest, down, around with my hip. Oh, I forgot to mention that I also do a jump here in the detailed version. So I go jump out and then boom, boom, and so on. So it's boom, around, round. Now, the last thing I'm gonna do is say point and go around, just freestyle, whatever you want, and go swipe, 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 Tinder, whatever you want. All right, guys, let's do part 2 from the tip to the top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. So, a quick recap. So, here's end of part 1. Boom, boom. You wanna say point, point, flower, and dice, and step. We go face, out, and body, hand, hand. Go round, round, swipe, swipe, Tinder. And the timing goes, so from here, whoop, whoop. I'ma show you how to na-na, 8-figure na-na. And face, zaddy, na chica, you better na-na-na-na-na, swipe like Tinder. Now time to practice. So, we're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. I'ma show you how to na 8-figure na, and a face on Zaddy and pocket on chica. You better na swipe like Tinder. Okay, now a bit faster. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. I'ma show you 8-figure na-na, and a face, Zaddy, talking na chica. You better na swipe like Tinder. And one last time, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'ma show you na 8-figure na, and face, Zaddy, talking na chica. You better na swipe like Tinder. Alright guys, time to do the full dance. So, we're gonna start with a preview, then we're gonna do a run through, and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so preview of the full dance, it goes tap, 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 in, wrist on dada, waist on dada. I'ma show you na 8-figure na, and face, Zaddy, talking na chica, you better na swipe like Tinder. Okay, so let's do a quick run through from the tip to the top. We're gonna start with the right. We're gonna go tap, then left says tap, then right says come here, and then again come here. From here, you wanna take a step with your right, and then you wanna go cross, right, like that. So step, and then you swing it to the other side, and step left. From here, you wanna bring them out, prep, swing them up, and say hit your chest, boom, go around. And then you want to prep, go down here, your arms are here. Then you want to say twist your leg inwards like that, and at the same time pop your booty up, down, opposite side. Now from here you want to say step right, point right, whoop, just on the spot, and then left, point. From here you want to bring them up and go open flower here. And then you want to bring them down. Before you say left, stiff arm, right says dice, dice. You notice I'm taking a step with my right here. From here, you want to say step gather with your left, boom, prep before you say hands up to your face, whoop, leaning a bit to my left side, then I go out, look to my right. From here, I'm going to jump and say whoop, arms come up, go down along your body here. You can also do a body roll, and then you want to swing your hips around, left, going back, and then you want to say right, left, yeah? From here, you want to say step left, get ready to turn around, you go point right, step right, around, now go left hand up, right goes swipe, swipe, I'll swipe to this side really fast if you're that desperate, and then you want to say Tinder. Freestyle, whatever you want. All right, let me just quickly show you the timing. So from the tip to top, it goes tap, 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 in, wrist on nana, and waist on nana, and I'ma show you how nana, 8-figure nana, and a face, zaddy, pocket nana, jigga, you better nana. Swipe like Tinder. Okay guys, time to practice. We're gonna start slow and then we're gonna go faster and faster. Alright? So 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, tap, tap. In we go. Wrist on nana, down, waist on nana, and I'ma show you how nana, 8-figure nana, and face, zaddy, pockets, jigga, you better nana, swipe like Tinder. And a bit faster. 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go tap, tap, tap. In, wrist on nana, and our waist on nana, and I'ma show you nana, 8-figure nana, and our face, zaddy, pockets nana, jigga, you better nana, swipe like Tinder. And one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, tap, tap. In, wrist on nana, and our waist on nana, and I'ma show you nana, 8-figure nana, and our face, zaddy, pockets, jigga, you better nana, and I swipe like Tinder. Okay guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. Alright, so that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the tap-in TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.